Okay, what's up y'all, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, I have my bonnet on, so y'all know it's nighttime, and I am gonna put up this Christmas tree. I'm trying to figure out where I want to put it, but I'm gonna put it over here in this corner right here by my table. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Hold on. Okay, so we back. I'm putting the tree over here in this area, so I'm probably gonna have to move some stuff or whatever. Anyways, yes, so I don't know if I told you already, but welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is your girl Damo B, and we are doing Vlogmas, and we are trying to keep up with the funk, okay? Period. I don't know, I look so tired because I am tired, but let's put up this tree, and yeah. Okay guys, I'm not finished with my tree, but as y'all can see, like, hold on, Prince, you can see this is like really crooked, like, I mean not crooked, this, like, my light's not working in the middle. I done had this tree for so long, and like, it's not working in the middle, so I'm quiet, because now what the hell? So I gotta go find me some lights now to wrap around the middle part, which is okay. Okay, so I went ahead and I put up my, I don't know what this is called, but I put this up on there. I put like clear tape right here. I'm gonna fix it when I get the ornaments when I get them, probably this weekend, more than likely this weekend. I'm gonna get them, and I'm just gonna like kind of decorate them right there. But y'all, my tree, literally, the lights, let me plug that in. I think, I mean, I've already shown y'all, but my tree, literally, like, look, the lights are missing right there. And it's not missing, but it's not working no more right there. So I have to get some lights so I can wrap around right here. But other than that, my tree looks, it's coming together. But I had this tree for a very long time, so that, I mean, that's probably why, you know, why it's because look, it's even missing bulbs. Look at that, it's missing a bulb, so that's probably why. But anyways, I'm gonna have to go to like let it focus. Ugh, I hate when it's not focusing. But anyways, I'm gonna have to go to like Home Depot, not Home Depot, well, they do sell lights, but I'm gonna have to go to like Walmart or Target or something and get some lights and just probably like wrap it around in this area. I don't know if I'm gonna use the same decorations I used last year. Dang, this camera back close, but I don't know if I'm gonna use, I probably am, probably not, I don't know. But I used to get my decorations from Michael's, and I wanted to try this other place called Home at Home. So more than likely I'll probably go there on Friday to check them out, because I want to get some stockings and put them right up here. Like put like 4 stockings right here, and then like I wanted to get like a skirt for the tree, and I wanted to get like some other little stuff to kind of decorate. Which the reason why I don't really decorate too much in here is because this one, he is going to damage everything. Yes, you, Prince. Yeah. So I'll be back on the camera. If I'm not, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And yes, make sure you guys stay tuned for another Vlogmas day. And I can't wait. I have some more stuff in store as we go along with Vlogmas. Okay, so I know it's boring right now, but we about to get lit. Okay, so just stay tuned and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And look, Mrs. Ladybug here, she's still in the house. Honestly, I was gonna take her up, but I'm like hold on, focus. Came into the hizzy, and Eric said he was gonna kill it, but I'm like, don't kill the ladybug. I was like, I'm trying to like figure out how to get it out, because I'm not touching no bug. Hold on. Yeah, so I'm trying to figure out how to get it out, because I'm not touching the ladybug. I'm sorry, I don't do bugs. Period. But anyways, I'm so tired. I gotta wake up early in the morning to go to work, because I do have a 9 to 5. So yeah, see you guys later. This lighting is so ugly. Why is it so yellow? All right, later. Bye.
Metro, yo Metro. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence, but I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it 2-tone like the president, and it ain't been no back and forth ever since. Yeah, took the bitch on the trip, now she feeling me. Exotic frame of Philippines, no crease and no stain, no pressure clean. I set the chain with hella beats. While the water like rain on that G-Star beat. I might start copping gold like I'm mustard. I won't ride the new rose of that Bennett beat. We gon' got some Chanel, the double C. I done bought her a bag, gotta love me. I'ma pop on my place like I'm double D. I'ma hop on the jet, hit another city. I got fans who gon' pay for me. I need my shit now, I can't wait a week. I fuck on that kitty, she take it deep. I fell in love with a lesbian. Can't knock on your door, baby, let me in. I should've learned my lesson then. I didn't wanna keep going, I was hesitant. I try to ignore all the evidence, but I'm gon' trust myself, ain't no better than. But they roll it 2-tone like the president, and it ain't been no back and forth ever since.
I killed a boy with no evidence. I pay my dues with like every cent. And shit, I'm fresh as a peppermint. Riches they come, ain't no better man. Alright, it go like a treasure chest. Alright, it go like a leprechaun. I got a stick with a magazine. Young nigga fly as a pelican. I treat my ball like they one-on-one. I treat these hoes like they one-on-one. I smoke your dog and you 0-1. I smell like Dover and I overcome. I made a play at the tongue long, and I had double gold with some bubble gum. I got a chain and some another sun, and I jab all know.
Oh, you ain't top off. Oh, you ain't Flintstones. Oh, you took a little roll it off. Oh, you ain't big stones. Oh, you made 2 extra you want war with all my hoes. Oh, you wanna line it all up. Hey, I wanna play it how it is. Hey, I been playing for some years. Hey, you tryna steal all the spill. Hey, I'm in the field, not the field. Hey, you wanna spill in the spill. Hey, you know how real niggas is. Those were still on the field. Yo,